Okay, the last stage of love here is called al-huyum, and it's called a state of insanity. Now, al-huyum is obviously uh, the final stage here. Now, just take notice simply that the beginning stage was hawa, and it comes from the root huwa, he, while the last stage, huyum, comes from the root hiya, which means her. So there's this natural combination here, or infusion here, of him and her, masculine, feminine, male and female. And we go through all of these stages. Some of us some of us all. And we find ourselves at the very end, al-huyum, a state of insanity, metaphorically, where it is rooted in him being madly in love with her, huwa and hiya, from the starting point of hawa to the end of huyum. And this is a basic quick summary of the 11 stages of love as recorded in the classic traditional texts talking about and discussing the topic of love. From here, we are going to look at various ideas of love. We have much to discuss, and then try and end off with a verse of the Quran where some of the poets of old have discussed the cryptic letters like Alif Lam Mim and how they are in fact letters of love.